Live. Hello, everyone. And this is AMA Ask Me Anything on live. So, first of all, let me tell you one thing is that this is not something I usually do a lot. I am little less on Instagram live, but this is one thing which is happening on my account a lot nowadays. Okay, a lot of personal messages, which we call them DM. So a lot of people keep sending a lots of messages asking, ma'am please advise, ma'am please tell us something about this, something about that. And I sometimes feel there are very genuine questions which should be answered. Okay, so I try and do one thing is I write them on personal chat, I reply to them, I talk about it, but at a very big scale. Okay, sometimes I feel these are the questions which should be shared, which should be spoken publicly and shared, and that is one thing which is missing big time. So we have decided that we should do this live sessions as frequently as possible, maybe once a month, and answer all your questions here in front of everybody so that everybody can get benefit from this. And if you have any more questions which you have not sent me on DM or on the story, like I have the screenshot here with a lot of people's questions which I'm going to answer. But if you have anything, please send a question right now also on the live chat and we will try and answer as many as possible. But one thing I have to tell you guys, and I want to declare it in the beginning. Okay, first of all, yes, good morning, everyone. I think a lot of you been sending good morning. Good morning. I love you too, Mr. Mohit. I can see your message. I love you, Akka. So I love you too. And there are a lot of times when people send me this message after the live is over that you didn't reply to my messages, or you didn't reply to my questions. Trust me, I cannot do live for 1 hour, but I will try today to do as many questions as possible. And sometimes when the questions are quite similar to each other, so I try and answer one, but it gives answers to many other questions, right? So if it is relatable, please try and mix it. Otherwise, definitely as many as possible. And once a month, we will keep doing it. So let's start with the questions. Okay. So first of all, I have this amazing, there are some very funny questions also, and you can ask me funny questions also. It's absolutely okay. So someone asked me, ma'am, now this is funny. Okay. So don't take it seriously. But somebody asked me, I'm not going to tell the name because this one, I think I should not. Ma'am, which bag is your favorite bag? Which brand do you really love? Tough question. I love all the brands and I have all the bags, so whatever. And I don't think you should go behind specifically about brands, but if you something like and love, explore everything. The world is at your feet to explore. So do not restrict yourself with one brand and one identity. Go and have everything, whatever you can possible in your wardrobe. Okay. So that's a personal question. And we have this question from, okay, Swati. I'm very emotional. How can I control my emotions? This also causes me stress many times. Now this question coming from a woman, I'm very sure पक्का ये किसी औरत ने ही सवाल पूछा होगा, ये कोई और पूछ नहीं सकता है. Because emotions and expression of emotions are very typical women thing. It's not that men are not emotions, okay? And there are many times, yes, Mr. प्रकाश, मैं कोशिश करके बहुत सारी हिंदी में बात करूंगी आज आपके लिए, बट बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि मैंने ये देखा है कि आदमी जो होता है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो इमोशनल नहीं है. ओके, सो पहला चीज जो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, एंड मुझे लगता है कि हम सबको ये चीज समझनी बहुत जरूरी है कि मेन आर ऑल्सो इक्वली इमोशनल. बट ओनली थिंग इज, स्पेशली एशियन साइड में शुरू से हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग ऐसी रही है जहां पे हम इमोशंस को विमेन से रिलेट कर लेते हैं बिकॉज वो एक्सप्रेस कर देती है, और मेन को शुरू से ऐसा रेस किया गया है कि तुम आदमी होके रो रहे हो, तो वो इतने इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते हैं. But I'm blessed that I have a team, and in my team I have many boys and men who express, okay, which is very beautiful thing that they express. So they are also emotional. So please do not compare and do not mix this thing that it is a man thing or a women thing. It's a human thing. Emotions are human, okay? So coming back to your question, Swati, all of us are emotional. Some have little bit more power to control and some don't have. okay? And it is not bad to be emotional. Now first of all, I am a very emotional person and मुझे बहुत बार ये बोला गया है कि तुम हर बात पे रोने लगती हो, तुम्हारे सेशंस में कई बार ऐसा होता है कि शिप्रा आंसू आ ही जाता है. And I feel emotional means only one thing, that it is your strength. So don't take emotional as your weakness. Take emotions as your strength. And the moment you will understand कि मेरे emotions मेरी strength है, मेरी weakness नहीं है. अगर कोई सामने वाला ऐसा बोलता है ना कि यू नो व्हाट, यू आर वेरी वीक, इट इज हिज ओपिनियन, इट इज हिज माइंडसेट. यू डोंट टेक इट एंड डोंट लेट योर इमोशन बिकम योर वीकनेस. Keep your emotions very strong and say, I'm an emotional person and I'm proud of it. So am I. I'm a very emotional person and I'm very proud of my emotions. Okay? Like अगर मेरे सामने कोई रो रहा है ना तो मुझे रोना आ जाता है. क्या करूं? Natural है. But that's not weakness. That is absolutely a strength. And my emotions have helped me. And मतलब बहुत ही खुल के बोलूं तो I think जो भी हूं आज वो इसलिए हूं because बहुत emotional हूं. तो बहुत चीजों को बहुत दिल से, बहुत सोच के, समझ के, बहुत अच्छे से करती हूँ. तो आई थिंक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू बी इमोशनल, बट डोंट टेक इमोशंस एज योर वीकनेस. इनसाइड योर हार्ट, इनसाइड योर माइंड, say that I'm emotional and I'm very strong with my emotions, and see how soon your emotions will become your strength, not your weakness. Okay, Swati? So I hope next time जब हम मिलेंगे तो आप ये बोलोगे कि मेरे इमोशनल मेरी बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है, not my weakness. Okay? So now moving on to the next question, and okay, somebody was messaging me here. बहुत अच्छा सवाल. मतलब there are so many questions. I'm just thinking which one to pick. Okay? And when you feel, so Sinchu Goda, she asked this question, when you feel low, what do you do? Sinchu, बहुत कम होता है कि मैं लो फील करूं, honestly, because I'm a very high spirit person. I'm very what do you say, I love life. मुझे ऐसा लगता है I'm very high on my life. I'm very high on whatever happens in my life, and good bad ugly मैं सब में हाई रहती हूँ. मतलब बहुत खुश रहती हूँ, मैं बहुत हाई हूँ अपनी लाइफ में. बट कभी भी अगर ऐसा होता है, जो बहुत रेयर है, कि मैं बहुत लो फील करूं, मैं इंस्टेंट अपनी एनर्जी चेंज करती हूँ. ईदर बाय लिसनिंग अ गुड म्यूजिक, or by reading a good book, or going and meeting my friends, talking to people whom I love and adore and who are my mentors or who are my best friends. मैं instant उस टॉपिक पे एक्शन लेती हूँ ताकि मैं लो ना फील करूँ, बिकॉज आई फील लो एनर्जी में ना कुछ होता नहीं है. वेन यू आर लो ऑन एनर्जी ना कुछ भी नहीं होता. आप जो करोगे, अच्छा भी करोगे ना, वो बुरा हो जाएगा. सो ट्राई एंड नॉट टू बी ऑन लो, एंड वेन एवर यू आर लो, change it and see the magic, how soon you come out of the low, because you change your environment. So do something, whatever you like. Okay, I hope that helps. And I have one more question which is very funny and very good. This is from Shankar Patel 83. How important it is to be in touch with your mentor or with your upline in everyday basis? Oh, brilliant question, I should say. Now I feel, if you ask me, whatever I am today and whatever I think I will grow to be, it has only happened because I have been constantly in touch with my uplines, with my mentor, with my people I look up to. And I think बहुत जरूरी है यार एक अच्छी संगति में रहना. हम इसको बोलते हैं ना कि you are reflection of 5 people you spend maximum time with. तो if you're not being in that association of people जिनकी तरह आप बनना चाहते हो या जिनको आप look up to करते हो, it is not gonna work out. It's gonna take like maybe 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 2 months, or 1 year, and you will absolutely be gone because you're not in that association. So I always try and see कि I'm in constant association with my people. भले मेरे अपलाइंस मुझसे गुस्सा हो, नाराज हो, अपसेट हो, बिजी हो, कुछ भी हो, ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, I am that, what do you call, बहुत funny सा example है please, but I'm the leech, okay? I absolutely stick to my people whom I want to seek advice from and take everything. I don't leave. देखो एक बात बहुत सिंपल सी है, अगर आपको ग्रो करना है ना लाइफ में, तो आपको बहुत क्लियर होना है कि आपका ईगो आप साइड में रखो, आपके इमोशंस आपको साइड में रखो. आपको ग्रो करना है ना तो आप सीखो, और जो इंसान जिस चीज को आप चाहते हो अचीव करना, उस चीज को कर चुका है, उससे सीखने में ना शर्म करो, ना अपने इमोशंस को, अपने ईगो को लेके आओ। आप बिंदास होकर के एब्सोल्युटली लग जाओ सीखने में। सो सीखने के लिए क्या करना है? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज कम्युनिकेट। सो कम्युनिकेट एज मच एज पॉसिबल इन गुड, बैड, अगली, एनी टाइम्स। Communicate. Okay. Now, Shweta Kanya 23, I hope can. Okay. Very, very, very interesting question. How to avoid gossip? I think this is the funniest thing, how to avoid gossip. Don't gossip. I mean, that's the only thing I can say. Don't gossip. उसके अलावा तो कुछ कह ही नहीं जा सकता, because how do you avoid gossip? By not gossiping, यार। मतलब there are a lot of times I get into a place जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं और बहुत सारी बातें हो रही है बहुत सारे लोगों के बारे में, and I always try and say कि सुन लो, आप अपने ओपिनियन मत दो, आप इन्वॉल्व मत हो। आप लोगों को नहीं रोक सकते हो गॉसिप करने से, बट आप खुद को रोक सकते हो। And I think the best thing you can do is self-control. So this is my new funda, or this is my new philosophy of life. In fact, last 1 year I've been doing this, specifically last 1 year. I avoid people who gossip. And if I'm put into a situation जहाँ पे लोग gossip कर रहे हैं, I try and not give my opinion and just be there, give my ears to it, because you cannot get out of the place. But at the same time, absolutely at the same time, do not make any statements and avoid it. And that's how you can stay out of gossip. And trust me, life is beautiful without gossip. So don't. Focus on your work, focus your energy onto good things, on learning. Gossip means only waste of time. Okay? And now, okay, that's why I'm here. Gossip because you are not busy. Okay. I am here because a lot of people have been telling a lot of messages, sending a lot of things. And there are a lot of friends of mine who are from Russia, from India, from Nepal, who have been constantly messaging. So I'm here only for you guys. There's nothing else. It's the only reason I'm doing this is you guys. So whatever are your questions, I'm here to try to answer as many as possible. Wealthy Romer, love you too. Thank you for all the lavender hearts. Okay, that's really lovely. And Tokir, you are here on the call. I hope you will sing a song for us and make it very lovely. Tokir is a dear friend of ours, our family friend, I would say, who's an amazing singer. And Tokir, we are looking forward for you to come soon. I'm talking about you on my live, so I think I'm going to give you a lot of people to come and listen to you. Okay? And that's from Russia, Siberia. Lots of love. I miss you guys. It's been long. We have not met. I hope I'll see you soon. Okay? And coming to next question. New_1_Shubham. How to be excited 24, 365, lifetime in all situations, whether it is good or bad time. So I think I just answered this. I just now said this, that, and if I say something, I think the biggest motivation factor in one's life is not outside, is always inside. I mean, this is what I believe, that I am not doing what I'm doing happily because somebody taught me this. So even if I am telling you this, that, be happy, be motivated, be 24/7 active, it's not going to help you unless or until you decide it. Unless or until you take a call and you have this very clear into your head that I want to do something, I want to rock it, I want to grow, I want to be a big personality or whatever. Okay, trust me, the biggest source of inspiration to be happy, to be motivated is you. I think I'm very blessed. I will never deny this, that I have presence of some amazing people in my life who have taught me to be who I am today, and I will be ever grateful to them. But at the same time, I think it's very strong feeling from inside which says, Shipra, get up, you need to do this. Shipra, work hard, you need to do this. Shipra, don't listen to these people. They're just here because they're frustrated, they're irritated. So sometimes people end up writing a lot of stuff to you which they don't mean it, but they don't have a choice because they are frustrated from inside. Now their frustration, I don't want to take. So I don't even answer, I don't reply. And I stay in my zone because my zone is going to help me to achieve what I really want to achieve. So I would tell you the same thing, that keep motivating yourself because you have dreams, you have reasons, and you have all the right in the world to be motivated 24/7. 365 days a year. Okay. Now, one more question, which is, I think, very interesting, is from Lakshmi297 Varuko. Okay, interesting Instagram handles, guys. Okay. Now, this is interesting because I think a lot of people put the same message. Okay. So I think this is going to answer to a lot of you. If you are trying hard and not growing, what to do? And there are lot of people. Okay, I'm coming back. Hindi, yes, absolutely Hindi. ये सवाल पूरा शुद्ध हिंदी में देने की पूरी 100% कोशिश करूंगी. Okay, 100% कोशिश. जब आप बहुत सारी मेहनत कर रहे हो, okay, और बहुत सारी कोशिश कर रहे हो, बट आपको रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है, तो बट ऑब्वियस है, हम इंसान है कि हमारा मोरल डाउन होता है. हमको एक सेकंड के लिए फीलिंग आती है, एक सेकंड नहीं, मेरे को तो लगता है हर सेकंड पे ये फीलिंग आती है कि क्या मैं सही कर रहा हूं, क्या मुझे यही करना चाहिए, क्या मुझे कुछ और ट्राई करना चाहिए. और ये इन्हीं सारे थॉट्स को हम कहते हैं डाउट्स, जो हमारे दिमाग में बहुत बार आते हैं. ये सवाल जिसके बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है समझना कि आते कहाँ से हैं. ये आते इसलिए हैं क्योंकि आप रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड हो. आपने अगर कोई काम शुरू किया, आप बहुत सारी मेहनत कर रहे हो, तो आप चाहते हो कि आपको रिजल्ट आ जाए. अगर एक थोड़ा सा भी रिजल्ट आता है ना, तो ऐसी फीलिंग होती है कि यार बस मजा आ गया, मतलब अब तो मैं ये करता रहूंगा. बट द मोमेंट आपको रिजल्ट नहीं आता है, सारे सवाल, सारे डाउट, सारे क्वेश्चन, सारी चीजें, सारी नेगेटिविटी आ जाती है. एंड दैट नेगेटिविटी बिकम्स सो स्ट्रांग, इतनी स्ट्रांग हो जाती है कि हम वो भूल जाते हैं कि हमने काम क्यों शुरू किया. हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हम करना क्या चाहते हैं. हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हम जाना कहाँ चाहते हैं, और हम फंस के रह जाते हैं. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, आई थिंक किसी भी सक्सेसफुल इंसान को उठा लो. ओके, किसी आज की डेट में अगर आप बात करोगे तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो सक्सेसफुल है, और उन सबको अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे, उनकी स्टोरी, आप उनके बारे में सुनोगे, उनसे बातें करोगे, तो सब ये बात बोलते हैं कि आई वेंट थ्रू अ बैड पीरियड. मेरा भी एक डाउन पीरियड था, मेरा भी एक बुरा वक्त था, मेरे को भी सक्सेस नहीं मिला था. आई सी दिस सीजन ऑफ शार्क टैंक, एंड वहां पे बहुत सारे दे आर द बेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इन इंडिया टुडे, एंड देर ऑल सिटिंग, एंड वो सब बातें कर रहे हैं कि यार हमने भी ये किया. सब मेरी सक्सेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, मेरे 10 फेलियर्स के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता है. और जब ये बात होती है ना, तो मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा ये आता है कि दिस इज सो ट्रू. इनफैक्ट आज पिछले कुछ दिनों से आई एम मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रील्स ऑन दिस कि पीपल टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट सक्सेस, बट लोग फेलियर्स के बारे में बातें उतनी खुल के करते नहीं है, बिकॉज लोगों को शर्म आती है. बट वो बात करनी चाहिए, और वो इसलिए करनी चाहिए बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं फेल हुआ ना इसलिए मेरा बिजनेस खत्म हो गया, मैं फेल हुआ ना इसलिए मेरी लाइफ खत्म हो गई. बट आपके जैसे ही बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बहुत बार फेल होने के बाद भी उन्होंने गिव अप नहीं मारा. वो करते रहे जब तक उनको सक्सेस मिल नहीं गई, और शायद इसलिए वो आज सक्सेसफुल है. तो जब आपका टाइम सही नहीं हो ना, और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपका टाइम सही नहीं होता है, और जब आपका टाइम सही नहीं हो ना, टेक अ ब्रेथ, हैव अ नाइस कप ऑफ चाय, कॉफी, जो पसंद हो आपको. ओके, और एक बार अपने आप से सोचो और पूछो, क्यों हूं मैं यहां पे, करना क्या चाहता हूं मैं यहां पे. अगर जवाब क्लैरिटी से ये आता है ना कि मेरा बहुत मन है इस चीज को करने का, मुझे करना है, तो फिर डोंट वरी, रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहा है अभी, रिजल्ट्स भी आएगा, बट कंसिस्टेंसी को मत छोड़ो. रिजल्ट्स भी आएगा मगर हार्डवर्क को मत छोड़ो. रिजल्ट्स भी आएगा मगर नेगेटिव लोगों से व्हाट यू से इन्फ्लुएंस होकर के डू नॉट गिव अप. नेगेटिव लोगों की बातों को सुन करके डू नॉट चेंज योर माइंड. You will never ever get only positive people in your life. It is very important to have negative, because negative people inspire you to do better. Negative people tell you that you can't do it, and that's why you have to prove them by doing it. So I strongly believe that when you are trying hard and not growing, giving up is not an option. The most important thing is not give up and go against all the odds and make it, because one day, and trust me, one day you will also go on an Instagram live and you will tell to everybody, this is my story. I didn't give up. I didn't fail. I fell a lot, but I rose again. And that is why I am today who I am. Okay. So I am telling you, this is the most beautiful question. I thank you, Lakshmi, for asking this. It was amazing. And based on this, I think There are many questions still. I don't think I should continue, but maybe one last or two last questions which can do. Okay. You did inspired me, ma'am, and I am not giving up. Oh, please, Ashish, please do not give up. I know बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है it's very easy. Don't give up. Okay. I mean, whatever you're doing in your life, don't give up. This is most important learning of my life is not giving up. Okay. Lots of heart to you, Sunil. Okay. My chota bacha. Right. And I am telling you honestly, guys, I am not gonna say that I'm epitome of inspiration. Thank you for that lovely words. But Nags, I think it is very important to understand life is never gonna be rosy. Okay? Nothing is gonna be rosy. Whatever we do, guys, we are gonna get good, bad, ugly, everything. But only thing we can do in our life is not to look at that negativity, not to look at that ugliness, and focus on good things. And because you focus on good things, there are a lot of good things that is going to come back to you. And on that, मैम आप कहाँ से हो? हिंदी अच्छी बोल रहे हो? हिंदुस्तान से हो भाई, देसी दिखती हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है. एंड यूपी से हूँ ओरिजिनली. एंड भोजपुरी भी बहुत अच्छी है, बट आई डोंट थिंक भोजपुरी बहुत लोग को समझ में आने वाली है. तो बस ये होता है कि बाय डिफॉल्ट इंग्लिश बात करते करते इंग्लिश में बात करने की आदत पड़ जाती है. अदरवाइज हमारी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है, हमारी भोजपुरी भी बहुत अच्छी है. इनफैक्ट ಕನ್ನಡನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? And this is absolutely, we are Indians. I think we are mixed with all the emotions and all the languages. So thank you so much for joining Instagram Live, guys. This was first attempt to give all of you a few questions. And it was absolutely, I think, amazing response. Love you too. Thank you so much. I know there's a lot to share. I know there are a lot of questions. And I know there are a lot of you जो बार बार ये मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि मैम मेरा एक सवाल, मैम मेरा एक सवाल, मैम मेरा एक सवाल. ओके, ट्रस्ट मी, I want to answer as many as questions possible, but time is also a shortage. Okay, yes, a lot of love from Karnataka. Okay, and yeah, some of you are asking to show the plates. This is one part of my house. I think मैं बहुत बार my God, so many messages. Thank you so much, guys. This is just behind my dining table. It has a lot of plates from all across the world. So if you are traveling to any part of the world where you can find me something like this, do get me. I love to collect plates from different countries, and it's a lovely friends from all across the globe who have gifted me. And on that note, guys, finally, thank you so much for being there live, and I will try and do this as soon as possible, as many times as possible. But worst situation, at least once a month. But I would also wait for a lot of questions from you guys. And sorry if I have missed, I know I have missed a lot of questions, but I'm really sorry. I can't answer everything, but I will try to pick out 5 questions next time and answer you in depth about it. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, शबा खैर, thank you, salam alaikum, and see you off. Take care. God bless you guys.